6 already of our class. Again, this is Intro to Life Sciences, SCI 1015. So the past 2 weeks, we've been talking about the chemical basis of life. We looked at cells, some of the organelles, the origins of life, how things get in and out of the cell through transport systems, looking at 2 very important processes of photosynthesis and cellular respiration, as well as a little bit of DNA, RNA, proteins, and biotechnology. So this week, our focus is going to be on how cells multiply and divide, and also sexual reproduction, looking at mitosis and meiosis. So again, this week we'll look at those particular steps of mitosis and meiosis. We'll look at some of the abnormalities that can result in terms of mutations, some of the life cycle events, cellular division of our cells, and also create our final draft of the health claim paper. So for your readings and resources, concentrate on chapters 6 and 7 here. So chapter 6 is looking at the cell cycle, looks at prokaryotic cell division, cancer, and the cell cycle. And then chapter 7 is looking at meiosis. There's a PowerPoint presentation on meiosis and mitosis as well, so take a look at those, as well as some helpful videos and tutorials that can help with this week's assignments. So for your topic this week, so by Thursday, you can choose one of the following topics, and here they are listed. So either fraternal twins, identical twins, in vitro fertilization, multiples, conjoined, parasitic, fetus in vitro. And on your topic, you're going to find at least one website to share with our classmates. Again, news article or any general information. And you are going to select the text, click on the chain link symbol in the editor, and make sure it opens in a new window here. And for your response, you're just going to talk about your topic. You know, what role does mitosis and meiosis have in the development of the embryos? How is it different from a single embryo developing in the womb? And for your response posts, about a paragraph or so, whether you agree or disagree or what you have learned here. So again, your initial post on one of these topics here, with the link to the website that you found, due by Thursday, and your 2 follow-up responses due by Sunday. You also have an assignment here. So here's a case study called The Case of the Dwindling Cell. After you read the assignment, you are going to answer these 6 questions right here. So again, make sure you have a lot of different information. So for instance, a question like number 4 that says, list 4 key differences between mitosis and meiosis. Again, all you have to do is list them. But if you look at number 5, where it says crossover occurs between homologous pairs of chromosomes, but can occur between the different 2 different chromosomes, you got to explain your answer. So make sure more detail is for that one. You also have a quiz due on Sunday, and then your paper here for your health claim is also due on Sunday. So again, your discussion post due Thursday, your 2 follow-up responses due Sunday, your assignment 6, looking at the case of the dwindling cell, and the 6 questions addressed, your quiz, and then your health claim paper, all due on Sunday. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to some great discussions online this week.